We sales, install, authorized dealer for a garage door company, hangar door company, accommodating to the customers, residential and commercial. With this kind of door, you can add any type of cladding, aluminum, tile. It looks like a wall completely. Right behind is a garage, and nobody can tell there was a garage there because it blends with the whole building. It's a high-end product. 10 years ago, it became more as a residential because you can customize in any type of cladding. A lot of custom homes, a lot of high-spec homes. The doors work on two systems. Bifold, it's an engine that works with straps. It works in a bifold system to save a space on the construction. The hydraulic is a motor system that is more up to date. It makes less noise on the system. It delivers more power lifting any type of cladding, and it creates more aesthetics regarding to the residential areas. My website is www.gapawindows.com.